Welcome to Exponents Part B. Recall from Part A, the definition of exponents, how many times a quantity is multiplied to 1. And from that, we get these following rules. That when we multiply, we add exponents, divide, subtract, and power to powers, and these special rules. For example, if we have these problems, and the first thing we see is, 4 to the 3 half, the half means square root of 4. Then we take the power of 3, so we get 8. And similarly, we get a half for the other. And we do this simplification even we have fractional power. So in this problem, we do power to power multiply. Therefore, we get power, the new power. Then when we add, when we multiply. So we get 5/3. Then when we subtract, we divide, we subtract, and collect the exponents. Basically, it's a fractional calculations of exponents. Okay, and it's very convenient to go back and forth between radicals and fractional exponents. The way to do it, first thing to read is the root. In this case, is a square root. Therefore, this will be converted into 5, and the square root will be 2 underneath, and the 3 is the exponents we raised afterwards. And similarly for these examples. And one big thing, and these rules do not apply for add or subtract. So these are common mistakes. So watch out for these. And we can use fractional exponents to collect radicals, change them to fractional exponents, then do fractional additions, then get the answers as the radical. And then finally, a decimal power is to be interpreted as fractions first, and then go from there. And so these are the respective decimal powers. And we use positive base only for decimal powers. And finally, important list of powers is the powers of tens exponents. So notice that when we have positive powers and the number of zeros is same as a power, if a negative power, then it goes the other way, including 0 in the front. Okay, and that's it. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Adios.